Welcome back to MagHealy Training. Here in Part 4, we're talking about the MagHealy Atmosphere application for rooms and buildings, for individuals, and for groups of people. The MagHealy Atmosphere application uses one of the most important properties of the magnetic field, namely its ability to penetrate through space. The magnetic field lines emerge vertically from the center of the MagHealy device and then find their way back to the other pole in a torus shape. A torus is a geometric object that most people know as the shape of a donut or a life preserver. Along with a magnetic field, a magnetic vector potential field is always concurrently generated, resonating at the quantum level with the space and all matter within it. MagHealy therefore operates in two distinct ways in the atmosphere application. First, the magnetic field acts directly on the subjects in the room through the space. Secondly, MagHealy has an effect on the energetic field of the room itself. In the first case, the magnetic field of MagHealy directly resonates with the people in the room. This works through the bioenergetic field that permeates the organism and consists of the subtlest structures of coherent water. These subtle areas of coherent water tend to correspond to the meridian system that has been known for thousands of years in both China and India. They represent a harmonic system that resonates with the frequencies of the environment, comparable to the strings of a harp. A coherent area, such as a meridian, is an extended area that resonates at one frequency and in phase, that is, in tune with the others. When in resonance with the atmospheric frequencies of MagHealy, the strength of the magnetic field is not important, but only the information that is contained in that frequency. For this reason, the effect of the MagHealy device can extend up to 1.5 meters, or 5 feet. Figuratively speaking, we could say that the MagHealy Quantum Analyzed Frequency, or QAF programs, tune our bioenergetic system like a stringed instrument and then play a harmonic symphony on this freshly tuned instrument. For this purpose, as with all QAF programs, the appropriate frequencies are analyzed in the information field by a noise generator. The goal here is to harmonize the bioenergetic field and thus increase well-being. In the second case, the magnetic field of MagHealy affects the energetic field of the room itself. The energetic field of the room corresponds to the quality of a room's energy, and the room itself is seen as an oscillating system that can oscillate both coherently and disharmoniously. This concept is consistent with the ancient Chinese or Indian traditions that consider qi or prana to be the energy quality of space. In traditional geomantic systems like feng shui or Vazati, space has its own field. On Earth, each cardinal direction has a specific energy quality. The cardinal directions are determined from the center of the respective room, building, or property. In order not to disturb the dynamics of the bioenergetic field of a room, its center should always be empty and uncluttered. It is also beneficial if the east and north of a given room are light and open, because this is where the global energy flow is entering the room. The magnetic part of the bioenergetic flow streams from north to south, the electric part from east to west. This fact lends special importance to the northeast. Therefore, this orientation should be designed as light, uncluttered, and open as possible. Since water strengthens the bioenergetic field, the north, east, and northeast are especially conducive to water. If for some reason these simple rules cannot be met, you can place the MagHealy device in the affected direction and regularly run the coherence program. Alternatively, the center of the room or building is a good place from which to reach all directions with MagHealy. The atmosphere application programs refer in part to room functions, such as kitchen, pantry, or office. They also sometimes designate activities such as eating, studying, children playing, workout, or relaxing. A third category of programs refers to qualities that should be promoted, for example, creativity, family harmony, relationships, prosperity, and chakra balancing. There are special programs available for plants, animal harmony, food, energy balancing, and electrosensitivity. A special advantage of the atmosphere application is the option to harmonize several people at the same time, for example, during a shared meal, team meetings, working out together, sleeping, or a group of children playing. In these cases, the analysis of the frequencies refers to the information field of the group, but it also involves each individual person. You can use these programs just for yourself as well. To do so, simply place MagHealy next to you on the table and move freely within the magnetic energy field. Let's have a quick look at the topic of food. In the Atmosphere application, there are 4 programs related to food, namely pantry, kitchen, food cleansing, and eating. Even the storage of food depends on the quality of the room energy in the pantry. Therefore, it makes sense to run this program in the pantry about 2 to 3 times a week. When cooking, you can apply the kitchen program to energetically support the preparation of the food. The prepared food can then be informed with the program Food Cleansing. A short duration of 3 to 5 minutes should be sufficient so that the food does not cool off in the process. On the dining table, MagHealy can then be used with the eating program. During a car trip, it is a good idea to run the car program. If mental or physical energy runs low during a long car ride, you should of course take a break, but afterwards you can apply the energy program. This is a guide to vitalizing with the MagHealy Atmosphere Harmonizing programs. The MagHealy Atmosphere application is thus designed to harmonize the lives of people and groups of people and to create a pleasant, productive, and creative atmosphere in rooms and buildings. We hope you enjoy the MagHealy Atmosphere programs.